In today's video, I'll teach you how to advertise on Beehiiv, a user-friendly platform that helps grow your audience through effective newsletter promotion. First, go to the Beehiiv website and click Login, then select Sign In with Google to access your account quickly and securely. Beehiiv offers several advertising tools. Start with the referral program, which encourages your subscribers to refer others, helping your audience grow organically. Next, explore recommendations, allowing you to share and receive curated publications, engaging your community further. Then there are magic links, unique hyperlinks you can embed to make subscribing easy with just one click. Finally, check out Boosts, a paid acquisition channel that efficiently increases subscriber numbers for faster growth. Whether using organic strategies or paid options, Beehiiv provides everything you need to expand your newsletter audience. In today's